Attention! The United LOLs of Roflica has issued a civil emergency. A crazy psychotic girl by the name of Isabella has broken out of the Canadian RCMP's holding facility and escaped into the United LOLs of Roflica. She is 17, is 5 feet 10 inches tall, has curly red hair, is wearing a green skirt and t-shirt, and was reported to be wielding a flamethrower similar to the one used by Pyro in Team Fortress 2. If you see this girl, do not provoke her, as she is wild, eccentric, and very unpredictable. Locate the nearest Chris McLean or Justin, place them in front of her, and then retreat to a safe distance. She has also been known on occasion to pull large balls of tree sap and sand out of thin air. These may look harmless, but do not be fooled. These are actually fire starters, and they have the energy potential of a small nuclear explosion. If you have any knowledge on the whereabouts of this mysterious girl, please call the Federal Bureau of Investigation at 1-866-999-9994 or the Royal Canadian Mounted Police at 1-899-888-8883. Thank you.